What is going on, YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this video, go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And we're hitting it really close to that 10,000 subscriber mark here on this YouTube channel. Thanks if you're subscribed already. If you're not, you definitely will want to, because once we hit 10K, I'm gonna give away a Supreme Super Soaker and a Supreme Floral Skateboard deck. So what are you doing? Subscribe to the channel. Alright, so today is AirMax Day, and I actually hit on the AirMax Duck Camos at SneakerPolitics here in Austin, Texas. To the previous shake back for the last month, February, I also hit on some Jordan Volts that I did not want, but a friend of mine, he traded my Jordan Volts for the Fear of God Chucks that are also releasing today. So we're gonna head into downtown Austin. Despite the fact that there's a quarantine going on, these shoes are already paid for. It was a process. Actually, I made a whole video for this contest that they were holding for the Duck Camos. You can watch it up here in the link above. And I actually did win a chance to purchase an 8.5 and the Duck Camos. So they sent me an invoice saying, hey, we're supposed to be closed, but we'll give you your shoes, pay the invoice, and then come pick up your shoes. So that's what we're doing today, because everything's on quarantine. Like, no one's supposed to be open. So let's head into downtown Austin. So I actually think I need to call the store after I pull up and let them know that I'm here so they can just pass the bag. I don't know. This whole quarantine thing is just weird. Literally no one in downtown Austin, and you have Google over there, you have Facebook over there, and there's usually like people walking around, but there is literally no one walking. Let's take a look of what we got. So we got the camos, and then we got the Fear of Gods. Let's take a look at these first. These look pretty good. You have like that cream colorway going, the black toe, the black leather tongue. It's a pretty dope shoe. Man, they laced it up hella tight, like stranglers. Dope. Converse on the medial side. Essentials on the rear. Okay, these retailed I think for $120 or $110 USD. Add your taxes and your VAT based on where you reside. And then these ones right here, these are what everyone wanted, the Nike AirMax Day AirMax Day camos. Here we go. These are fire, and I think these retail at a price point of $140 USD. Add your tax and your VAT just based on where you reside. This looks pretty freaking dope. They actually came out with a 2090 AirMax Duck Camo. They look good too, but they don't look as good as this. So I came back from SneakerPolitics, came straight to the apartment. That was like at lunchtime. It's now 7 o'clock at night. I've been helping people a lot on the internet. I do a lot of remote stuff from my computer. Yeah, it's been a busy day, but I haven't even gotten a chance to take a look at these shoes. Again, this one's the AirMax Duck Camo that came out today. Looks pretty dope. This is like the reverse camo colorway of the Atmos Air Maxes that came out in 2013. Looks super dope. The other panels, the Atmos ones, they're like black right here. This one is the red color. It's like reverse paneling, hence the name reverse. And then the Essentials Fear of God Chucks. These look pretty dope too. But yeah, time is really constrained for me right now. Let me know which shoe you want me to review first, whether it's the Duck Camo or the Fear of God Chucks. Alright guys, let me know down in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Alright guys, I'm Chris Catalunya, and we will check you next time. Cheers. See you na.